Point that way, fam.
There we go. Let her in, brother. Give me 1 second. I gotta give him a pro tip.
For real.
There you go, brother. All right. Pro tip has been given. Is that his traction control? Going out for a second pro tip. Don't worry, I'm a professional. You sure you got everything on?
There you go, get in there and drive it.
All right. Pro tip number 2 been given. Hey, it's all right. It's just your stability track. It ain't happy. I mean, I can unplug your wheel sensors.
Do it!
You say the word, and I'll... All right, throw her in the park and shut it off real quick.
Yeah, we got hella peer pressure, bro. That's peer pressure to the max. Because I almost said this shit, man.
What the hell? You sir have no rear wheel speed sensors.
That thing's a Christmas
This
tree.
is all about, guys, making it work. Now listen, last thing. If this doesn't work, we'll just pull your ABS fuse, put it right back in when you're done. His dash looks like a Christmas tree. He's good to go. All right, I want to hear a big round of applause to Big Rips. Hold on, we'll know for sure if it really rips.
Hey, don't look straight into it, homie.
Well, you guys relax. This happens to me all the time.
He don't give a fuck.
Come on. I think it's the first time we've had a car catch on fire. Hey, let's give a round of applause for this guy. He's on fire now. That was, what a comeback. Hey, we'll plug your wheel speed sensors back in for you in a little bit. No, bro, hey, you did well enough. You did a perfect job. There's the key with a good burnout is you want to catch your car on fire, but you don't want it to burn to the ground, and you just did exactly that. So, you should have just entered the burnout contest altogether. All right. All right, brother. Well done. If it catches on fire again, call me. But for now, we'll plug your wheel speed sensors in later when it cools off. Man, that guy. Let her rip.